Hello everyone, there is one more opportunity for you guys from Indian Bank, which is a public sector bank, and this is the good opportunity, good government job for you guys. The vacancies are total 50 vacancies. If you complete your BE Tech, then you are eligible for the recruitment. Which branches are eligible? So mechanical, electrical, electronics, electronics communication, only electronics, civil, chemical, production and textile. All the branches are eligible for this recruitment. Okay, the position is assistant manager IDO and salary approximately 6.3 lakh CTC. Now we will see detailed information regarding the recruitment. So let's start our video. So as always, we start with important points. So first important point is there is no percentage criteria. You should have only BTech in your hand. That's it. Second is process will be CBT plus interview. Okay, so this is the process and combined marks they will consider for your overall selection. Then posting will be all over India. Anywhere they can post you, and exam centers all over India you will get. I will show you list also of exam centers. Then probation period of 2 years. So note it down. Then all over India you can see the list of exam center in front of you state wise. So you can see your state, okay, and you can decide. The next very much important point, there is a bond, and bond is for 2 years. So you need to serve Indian Bank for the 2 years. And if you leave Indian Bank within 2 years, then you need to pay 2 lakh rupees, which is the bond amount. Okay. So we will see distribution now. Total 50 vacancies are there, for which open 22, SC7, SC3, OBC 13, EWS 5, and two vacancies are reserved for PWD candidate under VI and OC category. Okay. Already I told you in the start only what is the qualification. So yes, you guys are eligible for this recruitment. That is assistant manager IDO post. Okay. There are lots of posts, but our post is IDO. Fees will be 850 rupees including GST for general OBC EWS, 175 for SC, ST, PWD and ex-servicemen. Age limit cutoff date is 1st January 2023. Age limit is 30 year for general EWS, OBC 33, SSC 35 for PWD 40 general, OBC 43 and SST 45. Now we will say exam pattern. So basically you will get technical section for 60 questions, then general awareness question for 20 questions and English section for 20 questions. So this is only you have to study for this exam. Now under technical basically you have to study civil, electrical, mechanical and finance syllabus. Okay, that is the problem of this recruitment. Okay, so this 4 you need to study, and out of these 4 branches they will ask you questions, which is 60 questions only. Okay, so before applying just think about this. This is very important. Total questions 100, 120 minutes you will get. Total marks are 100. Negative marking is there of 0.25. Okay, negative marking is there. Exam language is English and Hindi. There is no sectional cutoff, there is no sectional timing. Okay, so this is all about Indian Bank. Now next video will be our preparation strategy and form filling video. So those who want to apply, you can apply. Currently it is not activate, form is not started. Whenever it is started, I will update you guys. Okay, no need to worry for that. If you have any query, any doubt regarding this recruitment, regarding notification, then you can comment down below. Also, if you have any other query regarding exams that we target on this channel, then also you can ask me on comment section or on Instagram. Okay, all the best.